It's an honor to be able to speak to all of you here this afternoon. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for His never-ending grace, mercy, and provision during what ended up to be the best day of my life. Skating and representing the Philippines at the Olympics was a dream come true. I am truly honored to represent our country at the Winter Olympics in Russia. Next, I would like to thank my coach and my mentor, Mr. Manuel Costolo Villas, who have inspired and motivated me to become better and what I do better. He has been my companion. He has been my companion all throughout my journey at Samsung. Thank you for teaching me the many values that I do need throughout my life. To the Philippine Skating Union, the Philippine Olympic Company, and the Philippine Sports Commission, thank you for your continued support. Thank you for believing in this sport and for encouraging kids like me to pursue what they love. To Mr. Hans D. C. and to the whole SM group, thank you for your generous and for helping me put my dreams into reality. SM has been home to me ever since I was 8 years old. I wouldn't have discovered my interest and love for skating if not for those people, but which fascinated me. To the Filipino community, I would also like to extend my gratitude for the support you've shown me. Of course, to my mom and my family, thank you for always believing in me. And but what I have done in Sochi is the same effort and commitment that our other athletes have done in Summer Olympics. Nothing different. I may be the first who made it to the Winter Olympics, but I'm not the first to represent our country on the world stage. I'm extremely happy with the heroes welcome, but let us not forget all our other athletes heroes.
Wow.
I therefore share this honor and glory to all the Filipino athletes. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino! Mabuhay